ashamed. In your righteousness, deliver and rescue me. Incline your ear to me and save me. Be to me a rock to dwell in, to go into continually. You have given the command to save me. For you are my rock and my stronghold. Rescue me, O my Elohim, out of the hand of the wicked, out of the hand of the unrighteous and cruel. For you are my expectation, Adonai Yahuah, my trust from my youth. Upon you I have leaned from my birth. You took me out of my mother's womb. My praise is continually of you. I have become as a wonder to many, but you are my strong refuge. My mouth is filled your praise, your splendor all the day. Do not cast me off in the time of old age, when my strength fails. Do not forsake me, for my enemies have spoken against me, and those who watch for my life have taken counsel together, saying, Elohim has forsaken him. Pursue and take him, for there is no one to deliver. Oh, Elohim, do not be far from me. My Elohim, hasten to help me, to my help. Let those who are adversaries of my life be ashamed, consumed. Let those who seek my evil be covered with reproach and confusion. But I continually wait and shall praise you more and more. My mouth recounts your righteousness, your deliverance all the day. Though I do not know numbers, I come in the light of Adon Yahuah. I make mention of your righteousness, your yours alone, Elohim. You have taught me from my youth, and to this day I declare your wonders. And also when I am old and gray, oh Elohim, do not forsake me until I declare your strength to a generation, your might to all those who are to come, for you have shown me great and evil distresses. For your righteousness, O Elohim, is most high. You have done greatness, O Elohim, who is like you. Revive me again and bring me up again from the depths of the earth. You increase my greatness and comfort me on every side. Also with a lyre I pray you for your trustworthiness, O my Elohim. I sing to you with the lyre, O Kadosh One of Israel. My lips shout for joy when I sing